All right, you ready for this adventure?
I am very much ready for this adventure. What about you?
I am ready also. We're going to do a couple of things today. We're going zip lining, horseback riding. We're going to do a river rafting excursion, and then we're also going to go to the hot springs. So, it's 6:30. We're ready for the bus.
I'm ready to go.
I think we're going to be out all day. Like, we're not going to be back before 6:30 p.m.
So that means we won't have any pool time?
We probably won't have any full time, but we will have lots of water time. So let's just look forward to that.
So here's to us.
And those who want to be adventurous like us. Boop, boop.
I am. There she is.
Been afraid to do this, kind of scared.
Yep.
Face your fears, right?
All right. Okay. All right. All right. Oh yeah! Whoa! Whoa! We did it! Oh yeah! Yeah! You're getting a bird's eye view as we're going down the bumper ride. Where's Anita? There's Anita. Look at Anita right there. Oh. Reporting live.